Canada, a place of stunning beauty, big wilderness, and rugged coasts. Our Canadian identity is deeply connected to our natural landscapes as we live, work, play, and explore the place we're so proud to call home. We want to protect our natural landscapes for our children and for generations to come. The Indigenous peoples of these lands know what it means to take care of nature and have it take care of us. We know that when nature thrives, so do we. And we will always protect the place we call home.